In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NBA Final in YouTube TV. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official YouTube TV website or download the YouTube TV app from your device app store. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have a YouTube TV subscription, click on Try It Free or sign up and choose a membership plan. Then enter your payment information and complete the subscription setup process. After your account is active, go to search bar inside YouTube TV and type NBA Finals or search for channels like ABC, ESPN or TNT depending on which network is broadcasting the games in your region. Once you find the live game or upcoming finals coverage, click on it and press Watch Live. You can also add the NBA Finals to your library by pressing the plus icon so YouTube TV automatically records games for you to watch later. If you are watching on a smart TV, simply open the YouTube TV app, sign in and follow the same steps to stream the finals on the big screen. Make sure your internet connection is stable for the best streaming quality, especially during the live games. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.